Hello everybody, it's Bill, and we have an eastbound now and a westbound behind me, so we'll see what we get. We'll get this one, the other one maybe not. I hope you enjoy, because I love this. I'm enjoying it totally. What engine? I love that sound. Oh, let's go look at the other side. It's pretty neat. Oh, that's so beautiful. We might. Oh, we're not going to get the front end engine, the westbound. We're not going to get it. But let's see what we can do about seeing a little bit of it. There it is. There she is. Coal train. North Fork and Southern, how cool. And there's the other train. Oh, nice and busy today. Oh, looks like he's going to stop. Oh, that stinks. Well, let's catch the other one. Well, catch the end of it. I think I'm going to shut the camera off. The other train is fully stopped. No use in filming a stopped train for 20 minutes. Alright, I think that train's going to stop too, so... Oh boy. Alright everybody, this is Bill, and I'm out.